All right, so this will be a quick update of the interview I did a few weeks ago with Patrick. Basically, last time I spoke to him, he made around 20K in 20 days. Since I've actually uploaded the video, a few months have passed. Okay, so I've uploaded it way later than it was recorded, and this is just a quick update of how things went since then, because he's actually hitting his first 100K today. Also, I know this background looks like it's a Zoom background because the lights are flickering. However, it's actually real, and I'm here on vacation. And I don't know why Zoom is doing this whole thing with the lights. Anyways, let's get started with the interview. Cool. So let's make a quick update video for what's changed since last interview. I think we had it like a month ago or 1.5 months ago or something like that.
Yes,
so maybe
exactly.
you could tell how things changed since then. Because last time it was like you made around 20K in like 20 days or so. But yeah, how did things change from there, and how did that impact everything?
So like I increased a little my budget on the Facebook, but I didn't want to rush it because I didn't want to lose anything. Like I mainly focus on a Facebook profile setup. Like I wanted to have like proper setup Facebook, so I won't lose like any of my running products.
Yeah.
And I mainly focus on that, but I also scaled a little a budget, and like everything worked and works pretty well. So I was able to earn my first 100K almost because it's 1K left to this.
So it's like at 99K today, probably tomorrow you should hit that first 100K day or 100K.
Yes, exactly. So yeah, that's a crazy number for me to be honest.
Yeah,
I'm very happy with this.
Be honest here. Did you expect that like half a year ago?
Like no. Like I'm still like happy that we started working together. I told this before, but yeah, I think that this is the best program, and like there is no bullshit here.
Yes, definitely. I mean, you like again, I cannot stress it enough. Especially what I've seen with you is since last interview till today, there was not many changes. You didn't do crazy amount of new things and tried a bunch of new. Like it was basically running, just stable. You didn't scale too much. It was basically very, very stable, anywhere between like 1 and 2K per day. And maybe like after this, you're on your phone, but maybe we can blend in something from your laptop. You can send me a video later from like how much it actually did. But basically, you're going to see that the scaling was super, super slow. And that's exactly what I wanted from it, because there's two different options of approaching it. Like for me, of course, it would be great for this video to make it look like everything is going crazy instead of the first 2 weeks and everything is going to like 5K per day and you did everything super, super fast. And that would obviously look better on YouTube. However, also know that there's tons of risk involved in that. And I want you to stay at like 1 to 2K per day for like a few months first before you actually start scaling, if you never saw those numbers before. And that is like, that's something which I normally emphasize. Some people, if they have like a really big budget, they can instantly scale, or if they also had previous experience with something, and they can also scale quicker. But yeah, like I mean, for you, it was like there was nothing new, like not a lot of new things you did, correct?
Yeah, correct. But what is worth saying, I think, for now, like I also learned a lot of things, not only about the scaling and about the testing, a lot of another stuff like upsell, etc. But I also learned a lot, like how to deal with the problems. Like I had some problems with a PayPal, with a Stripe account, and also like I think I improved a little customer support, so this problem won't be a problem in the future. So
and it's basically like after around like 2K per day, it's mainly like bullshit management. Like the next thing is just like bullshit management, like dealing with Facebook, PayPal, Stripe, whatever, just customers, like annoying things which which kind of prevent you from scaling. And you can scale, however, you would like, it's better to experience all those issues on 1 to 2K per day rather than on like 5K per day. Because if you never experience that and you're at 5K per day and then all of a sudden your PayPal holds your money, and every day you're spending like 2K on ads, you're going to panic, and it's going to be a bigger problem. And yeah, I mean, what you did also great is you now have set up a proper Facebook system for like a second whole like setup, basically, where there's like a bunch of accounts which are actually going to make sure that you're going to stick to this even if you get blocked. So that's also like one big improvement since the last video.
Yeah, that's correct. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that it will help me like to get to another level in the next month. So yeah, that's cool. Like, it's at the beginning, it was like hard to set up everything. Like, I think I thought that it will be harder than it actually is. But now I understand even the whole setup, why we are doing this. So yeah, that's great.
If you understand it once, it's like it is annoying and complicated, but it's not that bad. Like if you've done it once, it's like the whole Facebook setup is definitely annoying and a huge pain in the ass. However, it's very manageable, especially if you've set it up once. Now you're going to be able to do it much quicker the next time as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So let's see when the next update is going to be. Maybe when we hit the first million, basically 10x this one. And yeah, that's hopefully it's going to be as soon as possible. But I think from now, the scaling can be done way quicker. So like my prediction here is when we have like now when you start to have the second store with the second setup with the second everything, and you're going to be able to have this like bullshit basically handled. We're gonna actually be able to increase budget pretty drastically, and per day I see that we can definitely spend like $50 to $100 more per day every day for the next like weeks or maybe a month, as long as we keep everything stable with the ads and it's not going to fatigue. And yeah, then I don't think it's going to be too hard to scale this.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's cool. I appreciate it, and I think that yeah, we'll do this.
Yes, definitely. All right, cool. That was a super quick update. Just wanted to make this quick video. But yeah, appreciate you being here. And also, if anybody has not seen the first part, we basically talked how everything got started. I'm gonna link it somewhere here. Also, if you want to start to work with me one-on-one, join the mentoring program, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally. I'm gonna find out if everything is a good fit. If yes, we're gonna start working together. If not, no hard feelings. So yeah, click the link below and see you there.
Yeah. Thank you, Michael.